everyone, this is Vivid Botany. The first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation in sorghum is. So this is a basic question. We should know that there are two kinds of plants in photosynthesis, that is in dark reaction. Some are C3 plants, some are C4 plants. If you see, first of all, what is the difference in between C3 and C4? In C3, when carbon dioxide is accepted by RUBP, that is ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, this RUBP is ketose sugar. It is ketose sugar, it is a pentose, and this is one carbon. It gives rise to here two molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So each phosphoglyceric acid is a 3-carbon compound into 2 is equal to, it gives here 6 carbons. So in C3 plants, the first stable compound is 3-carbon compound, that is phosphoglyceric acid. So we call them as C3 plants, C3 cycle, that like that. In C4, when carbon dioxide is accepted by a 3-carbon compound called as phosphoenol pyruvate, this gives rise to a 4-carbon compound called as oxalo acetic acid. I am writing here in short form. This is a 4-carbon compound. So this is 1C plus 3C gives rise to 4C, that is oxalo acetic acid. So here in C3, CO2 acceptor is 5-carbon ketose sugar, that is RUBP. In C4, carbon dioxide acceptor is 3-carbon compound, that is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. And in C3, the first stable product is phosphoglyceric acid, a 3-carbon compound. And in C4, the first stable product is oxaloacetic acid, that is a 4-carbon compound. So that we call them as C4 plants and C4 cycle. That is the main difference in between C3 and C4. And if you see the examples of the C3 and C4, for C4 we can write examples. One is sorghum. Sorghum is nothing but jowar, we call it as in English, in Hindi. Another is maize, right? Another is sugarcane. We know sugarcane pretty well. And many more plants, like we have amaranthus, it is a leafy vegetable. So they are all members of the C4 plants. And in C3, we have many more, like we have one is tomato, another is bell pepper, and majority of the plant that we see in our daily life, they come under the C3 plants. So the option that you see here, the first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation in sorghum, this is sorghum, jowar. So in this first stable product is oxalo acetic acid. This is the answer here. Let us see the remaining. If you see phosphoglyceric acid, what we call it as PGA, this is the first stable product that is seen in C3 plants, so it's not the answer. And succinic acid, it's a 4-carbon organic acid. It is found as a byproduct of Krebs cycle, it's not the answer. And pyruvic acid, it is end product of glycolysis, 3-carbon compound found in glycolysis, that is common respiratory pathway of the respiration. So the answer here, it is asking the two concepts here. You should know first what is the first stable product, that is oxaloacetic acid. Second, you should know in which plants it is formed, that is C4 plants. Third, you should know how many plants are examples for the C4 plants, that include here sorghum, maize, sugarcane, amaranthus, and many more. So it is a bit asking here 3 concepts in one question. I think you have understood very clearly. So this is the question for photosynthesis. It is from +1 NCERT. Thank you.